Welcome to IGEL Disrupt 2024, taking place at the Diplomat Hotel in Miami, Florida. Today I have the pleasure of having Jim Luna from Nutanix with me. How are you doing today?
Doing great. Fantastic to join you here at this great beach resort.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful views, great weather. I mean, what could be better?
Indeed.
Maybe you can just give us a little bit of a background on Nutanix.
Yeah, indeed. In fact, Nutanix offers one platform, I would say one single software platform for all types of applications, whether those are mission critical applications, enterprise apps, machine learning and analytics, database apps, as well as virtual desktops, which is the subject of this conference.
And talking about this conference, it's IGEL centric, but maybe you can tell me a little bit about your partnership with IGEL.
Nutanix and IGEL are ecosystem partners in end user computing, with Nutanix focusing on the back-end infrastructure and IGEL focusing on endpoint solutions. But we constantly collaborate and innovate together, making sure that we're extrapolating and exposing some data to each other's consoles so that customers have a holistic view of their workload EUC environment.
And can you go into a little more depth about Nutanix and some of your product lines?
Absolutely. Nutanix offers, what we would call one-click simplicity to address the most complex IT challenges, right? Now, in end-user computing, we offer a single control plane that allows customers to be able to deploy and manage an EUC workload, whether that's on-prem in a private cloud or whether that's in a public cloud like AWS and Azure, right? It is truly a single platform that offers hybrid multi-cloud for EUC.
So what is Nutanix showing here at the IGEL event?
At IGEL Disrupt 2024, we're showcasing the power of end-user computing on a multi-hybrid cloud, right? So that really means that we can demonstrate how a workload, an EUC workload can be deployed on an on-prem environment as well as in the public cloud, and then providing a universal license that provides full portability of that workload, whether it's on-prem or in the public cloud. And so customers will get to see a demo showing how we do that both in a private environment, but also in a public cloud environment like AWS.
So what are some of the things that you like about the IGEL Disrupt event and things that are happening here?
IGEL Disrupt is really where the end user computing community comes together, right? And I think of it as the binding event where solution providers and sellers come together to bring their innovative solutions and showcase them to the customers, right? It is the place where partnerships are being forged as well to be creative and innovative in terms of those solutions, right? And it's also the place where connections are made, right? Ultimately to deliver best-in-class EUC solution to our mutual customers.
Now talking about the EUC space, what are some of the hot things that or hot topics that are happening with EUC right now?
Yeah, EUC continues to be a steadfast solution in the marketplace, right? Whether that's addressing the needs of vertical segments like healthcare and financial services, highly regulated environments, or the needs of security in public sector, right? Those are still things that are very much needed in the marketplace. And we'll continue to see this movement of migration of workloads from private cloud to public cloud, sometimes vice versa, but now we're seeing this evolution of customers looking at a hybrid multi-cloud environment. In some instances, for example, they may look to have their persistent desktops on-prem, but they're more bursty or scalable desktops in the cloud, and they're looking to optimize those environments, right? So those are some of the things that are happening, but there's more to come. There's the idea of digital employee experience with hybrid work styles in today's environment, right? And then we'll see new innovation around security, and of course AI is here, right? The next evolution will be how does AI get harnessed and leveraged by the EUC community to bring better class solutions to the end customers.
Yeah, definitely AI is a big topic that everybody's interested in and doing innovative things around. I guess lastly, if people can't be at the event, where can they go if they want to find out more information about Nutanix?
Indeed. You know, at the events, we have a booth. We're a gold sponsor at IGEL Disrupt, and they can find us at the booth. We have numerous staff here that are working, and happy to have a connection with all of them. But besides the event, you can find more information about Nutanix on Nutanix.com, and I would urge everybody to go for a test drive. You can go to Nutanix.com/test drive, and you can get a sampling of what it's like to be able to run that workload on the Nutanix Cloud platform.
Well, great. Thanks, Jim, for taking the time to speak with VMblog, and we look forward to the rest of the show.
My pleasure. Good to be with you.